Welcome to the LEAD Academic Network. In 2024, the LEAD Academic Network continued its mission to conduct research in academic leadership and university governance, execute capacity-building programs for academic leaders at all levels, and foster international collaboration across European and Chinese higher education institutions and beyond. The year 2024 commenced with the committee's meeting on January 19th, where LEAD Academic Network committee members reviewed past achievements and charted strategic plans and goals for 2024. On September 20th, the committees reconvened to refine plans and discuss future direction of the network. 2024 marked another year of impactful research. Our members published influential papers addressing critical contemporary challenges in academic leadership and university governance, contributing to the global body of knowledge, with particular attention to internationalization and digitalization in higher education. In collaboration with the Journal of Education Sciences, we invited network members to contribute to the special issue on higher education governance and leadership in the digital era. Currently, over 20 research papers are in development. On the 13th of September, 2024, a joint event highlighted experience sharing for Erasmus Plus project, enhancing the visibility of key research funding opportunities while fostering cross-border research collaboration. In November 2024, the Academic Leadership Training Program with Shanghai University at VUB and Nova offered participants in-depth insights in academic leadership in a digital era while fostering meaningful intercultural communication and collaboration. Future academic leaders from Beijing Normal University participated in our summer school, gaining cross-cultural competencies and new insights to navigate the ever-evolving global educational landscape. The LEAD Academic Network brought together experts worldwide through international conferences, seminars, and workshops, facilitating knowledge exchange and strengthening global academic partnerships. These events tackle critical issues and spark collaborative ideas for the future. The network and the EU-China Higher Education Research Center are leading the international research network on digital academic leadership under the World Education Research Association. On December 18, 2024, the webinar on educational leadership and AI integration will bring together academics from around the world to participate and exchange insights. Strengthening international connections lies at the heart of our mission. In 2024, we facilitated delegations from Chinese universities to European institutions, and European scholars to Chinese universities, paving the way for groundbreaking partnerships and collaborative initiatives. Join the LEAD Academic Network, a vibrant community where academics and leaders collaborate, innovate, and shape the future of higher education. Be part of a global network committed to excellence. LEAD Academic Network. United in learning, together in leading. Visit our website to learn more and join our journey. Thank you.